Yeah, show off my city. My name is K9 and my puppy stay with me. These dogs erratic and love with them Simmons. They moving them past, got them serving them minutes. Yeah. Hey.
What's up, Team K9? Alright, you guys. Today we're gonna be making a video freaking on beef jerky burritos. Alright, you guys. Bro, when I say they're gonna be the best burritos you've ever had in your life, bro, I know you have never had. I just know you've never had better burritos than these. With like the better, like, hey, the macros, the way it tastes, like the texture of it, like, bro, you've never had better, never had nothing better, bro. Hey, I'm just gonna keep it 1K with you guys. After y'all have this burrito, your life is gonna be changed, okay? You're gonna be eating more, you're gonna be eating better, you're gonna be eating like all good food. All food that you eat is gonna be of goodness to your body, okay? Hey, everything that you consume from now on is gonna be of this burrito. This burrito is gonna change your life. Your life is gonna be now changed. You gonna change your name to Beef Jerky Burrito. First of all, you guys, I'm gonna let you guys know what y'all gonna need, okay? So first of all, y'all gonna need y'all some egg whites, okay? Don't get motherfucking them expensive egg whites. Get motherfucking these egg whites. Get motherfucking great value egg whites. Get these, okay? Get these, okay? And then motherfucking also try and get some beef jerky as well. Now, when it comes to beef jerky, I kind of do advise you to kind of get the more fancy ones because they kind of have better texture. So and it's better to cook with too. So when it comes to motherfucking these onions and stuff that I'm gonna show y'all, because onions is gonna be the next ingredient, like these little onion greens and things, okay? I'm gonna show you the ones that y'all need to get, because I don't need y'all cutting up stuff. Y'all need to get these, okay? Get these. Motherfucker, get these frozen ones, because you know that you can't cook like that, and you know you're not gonna be cutting up no motherfucker. No, get these, okay? Hey, we're not doing none of that stuff. You a freaking gains bro. You're a bro, okay? Anyways, now since you have your main ingredients, okay, you guys, we're gonna hop right into the video now.
Hey, you gotta eat your vegetables.
Hey, man. Alright, you guys, so you wanna start off with a freaking regular pot. See, I got this little old school freaking broke down pot, but don't worry about this, alright? So you wanna get your little pot like this, alright? You wanna warm this up, you know, get this on like medium. Get this on like medium, alright? Man, then you're gonna get these wrinkly forehead people in the kitchen while you're trying to cook. If you ever get this problem with wrinkly forehead people like this in your kitchen, this is what you do to fellow canine wrinkly foreheads that's in the kitchen while another fellow canine is trying to cook. Dale, this is what you do. See that? He's gone. That's the power of the canine right there. Oh, snap. Man. We got us, y'all know, the egg whites right here. I didn't mean to already pour some, but y'all know we got us the little egg whites. And we about to pour them into the bowl so we can get us some eggs going, okay? What the hell is that? Is that a little GMO? See, man, I don't know what that is, bro. That's supposed to be part of the eggs, bro. See, I don't be... Alright, y'all. So I took out that nasty ass stuff. I don't want them to censor my video. I took out that nasty ass stuff. I hope that y'all be seasoning y'all eggs, man. Don't be them people that don't be seasoning their eggs, bro. Hey, you gotta season your eggs, bro. If you're not seasoning your eggs, bro, I don't know what you're doing, man, but you ain't cooking right. So, I like to throw a little pepper on there. Like, it don't even gotta be no, like, crazy seasonings, bro. Just throw, like, some seasoning, like, some salt and some peppers on them. Like, bro, that's all you gotta do, bro. See that, bro? Hey, that's enough right there, bro. But you know me, I like to add a little more, bro. So I'm gonna show y'all what I add to. Anyways, I like to add this, like, to my food, because, you know, it kind of just makes everything taste better. So, you know, pop this open real quick. I hope I didn't grab... Okay. Yeah. Just throw a little bit in there like that. Ooh. Oh, shit. Might be a little bit too much, but, you know, it's all good. It's going to make it taste better anyways. So, after you do that, you guys, you want to mix that up, and then you want to go to the next step that I'm going to show y'all, okay? Alright, y'all. So, pay attention for this next step, y'all, man, because a lot of people can get this one wrong. Make sure you pour some oil in there, some olive oil, some kind of healthy oil or whatever in there, you know. And you want to get that all around the pot, all right?
Hold on, I'm holding this camera, but y'all want to try and get this all around your pot, okay? I'm going to show y'all why in a minute, all right?
All right, so look, let's say you're getting it all around the pot, all right? And now, hey, this is the part to where my expert cooks are going to come in and start trying to judge shit. Hey, this is my own creation. So, just stick with me here, all right? Hey, just have some faith, all right? Because it's about to be a little weird in here. All right? So now, what we going to do, because now don't forget that you had this pot on medium, okay? You wanted to have this pot on medium. What we going to do, y'all, is hold on, we're gonna open up this beef jerky real quick. Let me open up this beef jerky real quick. Once you got your beef jerky right, oh sorry, dropped some mineral on accident. You wanna crunch this up and like rip it up into really, really small pieces. I'm gonna show y'all what I mean. I'm gonna put it on this camera and do it. Alright, bro. So like let's say once you get your beef jerky broken down like that, alright? I'm gonna show y'all what y'all wanna do. Now this is where the experts are gonna get kinda mad. Y'all need to pour a little bit of water in this jar. Just a little bit of water, like that much, okay?
And then now you want to mix this around. Okay, I ain't gonna tell y'all why y'all doing this because this is gonna expose all my rest of the recipes. But I need to just throw some waters in here, okay? Now this recipe right here, y'all, is from a different planet, okay? Like on Planet Canine, like this is stuff that we eat right here. Now y'all never heard of this recipe on Earth because y'all don't get this stuff. But yeah, you want to throw water in there. Now this might seem weird, y'all like what the hell? But y'all want to keep on mixing this around until all that water evaporate and like kind of go into the beef jerky. And don't forget that you put some oil in there at first as well, so it shouldn't be sticking or anything like that, okay? Now you want to let this cook, okay?
Okay, you guys, so like once you get it like this, all the water is evaporated and you done mixed it around a lot. Now you want to add in them bad boy eggs from earlier. And you already know what to do from them here, man. Just get to mixing all that in together. Hey, so once I get that bad boy cooking to like right here, boy, like we almost done basically, almost. You want to go and grab you some cheese. I got me some Mexican style blend right here. And you want to sprinkle that cheese all
in there. You want to get you a good amount of cheese though, okay? You don't want to be no little cheese bitch. So you want to make sure that you don't have too much dairy whenever you have this burrito. You want to make sure you don't have too much dairy that day because you're going to be having a quite amount of cheese on this burrito, okay? So y'all want to get all that in there. All that cheese. Boom. And then now you want to mix all that around, then I'm going to get back next. I'm going to get back to y'all.
Alright, you guys, so if you was doing it right, it should be coming out to a texture like this. Yummy, okay? Now I'm going to get to the next step. Okay, so y'all remember them onions and stuff from earlier, right? Them onions and them peppers and green peppers and stuff? You want to add you a little bit of that in there now, okay? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah, when you finish with that step, y'all, it should look like this whenever you're done, okay? Hold on, let me rub out the camera. Alright, it should look like this, you guys, after you're done. And then now you want to come back over here to your pan, pot, whatever you want to call it, skillet. And you want to throw down a little bad boy tortilla, okay, you guys? I'm going to show you guys what you want to do after that. You want to let it get brown on one side. You want to flip it over and let it get brown to the other side. And then you want to, I'm going to show you what you want to do after that. Alright, you guys, so once you get it, like, done on with the pot and stuff, you want to put this stuff on here, onto the tortilla. I'm going to show y'all how that looks. Alright, so you're going to have it like that. And you guys want to throw some of this on there. Y'all know some Tabasco sauce or whatever you call it. I like to call it Tabasco sauce. You want to put some of that all across there. You guys, all these ingredients are super important to make it taste optimal, okay? I don't want you guys saying it tastes nasty or something.
Put the ingredients on there, okay? So after you do that, now you want to grab a little more cheese. This is what I told you guys. This is going to be like your daily cheese limit, okay? So you want to grab a little bit more cheese. You want to throw a last bit of cheese on there, okay? Just like that. And then now you're going to wrap it up into a burrito, and I'm going to show you guys how that looks.
And you guys, I present to you the burrito, the beef jerky burrito, okay? Now you guys, this is just something quick that you can make at home. A quick snack, y'all know, made by Canine Games, my own special recipe. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when you bite it. What I like about this, you have two sources of protein, the eggs and the beef jerky. And there's so much flavors, bro. Bro. Y'all welcome.
I'm just trying to help you, Ike.
Help, Ike! Help, Ike! I'm not the motherfucker that need no help!
You cannot judge nobody else. We all come equal focus up. Enough for everybody well. Your moves illegal, make it stuff. Just don't harm nobody else. It will put you in a cell. But we got beef, alright well. Get away from me to step. Oh, me